Content marketing versus product marketing, what is the difference? In this video we will explore the relationship between content marketing and product marketing. We will discuss the similarities and differences between the two, and provide some tips on how to leverage each one to benefit your business. The relationship between content marketing and product marketing. Here's where it gets interesting. Both content marketing and product marketing have the same goal in mind, to create value for customers. But while content marketing focuses on providing information, content, to potential clients, product marketing concentrates on giving customers something tangible as an incentive to buy. Let's look at some ways in which they overlap. Content marketing is the process of creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert a target audience. Product marketing, on the other hand, is the process of creating and sharing content that promotes a particular product or service. Product marketing encompasses all the positioning and messaging needed to launch a product with the goal of ensuring that those selling it and the market it's intended for understand it. Both content marketing and product marketing focus on creating value. A lot of people think that content marketing and product management are completely contrasting functions. But, like I mentioned earlier, both content marketing and product management have the same goal in sight, to create value for the customer. Are product marketing and content marketing at odds? Content marketing. Yes. In fact, I think it's safe to say that content marketing and product management are two sides of the same coin. A company's product managers work closely with its writers to ensure that all written material aligns with the company's vision, mission statement, and overall message. Content marketing provides valuable information. It seems obvious, but if you want to sell anything, you must know who you're selling to. Yet, many businesses struggle with defining who their ideal customers are because they get mixed signals from various sources. Content marketing. When most people think about content marketing, they think about traditional forms like articles, white papers, infographics, etc. Specifications and features can be part of content marketing. According to HubSpot, content marketing is a strategy where marketers share valuable information with prospects and customers through various channels. It involves creating and distributing written, visual, audio, and interactive content across multiple platforms to attract, acquire, and retain new leads and customers. However, once you start planning out which pieces of content you'll produce, you'll find that it becomes much easier to figure out exactly what kind of content works best for promoting your business. Even though it may seem like nothing was ever created before now, the truth is that companies have been actively involved with content marketing since the dawn of time. How to use content marketing to generate leads. You can use content marketing to drive business growth. According to ProBlogger, 71% of online marketers are finding it hard to measure the impact of their efforts. This means that, to get results, you must rely on content marketing. Product marketing. The next thing that you should know about content marketing is that it's often used interchangeably with product management. While this might seem strange, think about it. Just like a brand manager and a marketer, a product manager is responsible for designing products based on research and analysis. Once you've figured out which products you should be focusing on, you can then assign separate roles to each of your team members. A sales representative could handle the initial outreach as well as any promotional activities related to the selected products. Meanwhile, a writer would draft high-quality content that provides value to consumers. And a project manager would coordinate everything together. Below are some responsibilities for product managers. A product manager is responsible for determining what consumers want and developing solutions to meet their needs. Product managers work closely with marketing teams to create strategies that align with the company's goals. By creating effective campaigns, product managers contribute to the success of companies by increasing sales, improving brand awareness, and gaining loyal customers. So, what should you do? Here's our advice. Start by identifying the type of content that works best for your business. From there, brainstorm product ideas that align with your content strategy. There is no silver bullet. The relationship between content marketing and product marketing. Nowadays, most companies use both content marketing and product marketing to achieve success. In fact, According to HubSpot, 91% of B2B marketers have implemented content marketing strategies into their marketing mix. On the other hand, only 39% of B2C marketers have implemented content marketing techniques. Product management focuses on customer needs and wants. To build successful products, you need to understand your audience first. You shouldn't just think about what you want to offer, but what your customers want. A product manager is responsible for determining what consumers want and developing solutions to meet their needs. Product managers work closely with marketing teams to create strategies that align with the company's goals. By creating effective campaigns, product managers contribute to the success of companies by increasing sales, improving brand awareness, and gaining loyal customers. You may be missing out on some great opportunities. But now that you know the basics behind content marketing and product management, you can finally begin to see the bigger picture. Therefore, if you happen to have some awesome products in mind, make sure that you do some thorough research before taking the plunge. Doing so will not only ensure that you produce quality content, but also increase your chances of making money. You could use some help with your product strategy. If you're struggling to produce new products, consider asking your marketing agency for some guidance. Either way, it's important to make sure you're doing everything in your power to develop great products for your business. That way, you can save money and ensure that your clients get the most out of your services. Start with these 4 steps. Understand your audience. Once you understand who your target audience is, it becomes easier to develop meaningful content that resonates with them. Create value. When you create and publish valuable content, readers will naturally share it with others. That said, once you've determined which type of marketing, content marketing versus product marketing, is best suited to your business model, you can plan how you want to use each of those tactics. Get feedback from potential buyers and clients. The only way to truly know what works and what doesn't work regarding your product line is by talking to actual customers. Communicate consistently. Now that you've identified the types of communication channels that your target market uses most frequently, it's time to start broadcasting your message. What's the difference: content marketing versus product marketing? The two are similar but different enough that it's important to understand the differences between them. For example, if I was selling a new fitness program, I would focus most of my efforts on product marketing. So how do they work together? The answer to this question lies in understanding where and how these two forms of marketing complement each other. Both content marketing and product marketing involve the creation of high-quality information that supports your company's objectives. It follows then that both should include an element of research and analysis to ensure that the information being presented is accurate and up to date. The key difference between the two comes down to their respective roles. While content marketing focuses primarily on informing readers about your products and services, and educating them, product marketing aims to communicate what makes your product unique and desirable. Therefore, product messaging tends to take place through advertisements and other promotional materials. How can you use this knowledge to your advantage? Now that you have learned the ins and outs of content marketing and product marketing, how exactly can you put this knowledge to effective use? If you cannot provide your audience with useful content, then how will they listen to your advertisements and promotions? Likewise, if you cannot tell people about the benefits of your product, then how will they decide whether to buy it? So, while content marketing requires extensive research and development, product marketing relies mostly on trial and error. That said, once you have determined which type of marketing is best suited to your business model, you can plan your strategy. Content marketing and product marketing both focus on building trust. According to Gartner research, trust is the willingness to make decisions based on information shared by another party without knowing all the details themselves. The future of marketing is customer experience. In today's digital age, customers expect brands to deliver exceptional experiences across every touchpoint. This means that marketers must understand the needs of consumers at each stage of the buying cycle and provide them with personalized, seamless interactions. The future is personalization. To meet this challenge, companies are already investing heavily in AI and ML platforms. According to Forrester Research, by 2020, 70% of Fortune 500 companies will be using AI, and 86% will be using AI to improve their customer experience. Conclusion. Although the two fields do not overlap completely, it is important that businesses consider them both when trying to grow their businesses.